They're unsightly, painful, and millions of Americans are living with varicose veins. But there are ways to get rid of them with little to no downtime. Here to talk about the treatment options is Dr. Klubshushan Sharma, the founder and medical director at Arizona Vein and Laser Institute. And it's good to see you again, Dr. Sharma.
Nice seeing you too.
Let's talk about varicose veins and the symptoms. How do you know that you actually have a problem with a vein?
Most of the time, the patients do come to me and tell them that their legs have been getting swollen, they get tired easily, they feel very heavy. Then they start seeing some varicose veins, which are bigger veins which they can see. And also they say sometimes they start having cramping at night time. So that's a very serious symptom. Or they can see some discoloration of the legs, and especially around the ankle area.
Yes.
That's very late symptom of varicose veins.
Do people generally wait too long to get them treated?
Unfortunately, yes.
Yes.
We have seen some patients with ulcers. That's the last stage of varicose veins.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So people need to come in and they need to have an exam and be diagnosed. Why is it so important to treat those symptoms early and not wait too long?
Like I said, the patients can come to me very late when their legs have already gotten discolored, or they have ulcers, or they have very large varicose veins, or they have had some clots in the varicose veins too. So those are the late symptoms. So why wait until that time?
Right, exactly.
That's why you should have the treatment as soon as you feel those symptoms.
All right, well, let's talk about the treatment and the procedure that you do in particular. Is it painful?
It's very, very minimally painful. I would say that most of my patients have no pain.
Really?
And about 99% of the patients, they don't take any pain medication after the procedures.
No kidding.
Yes.
And you do this in your office?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's talk about how long it takes for, and when you treat one major vein at a time, is that right? And
That's
why
true.
is that?
Because we want to make this procedure as painless as possible. And also it's very safe if we are not treating many veins at the same time.
Right.
And we want the patients to be ambulating after the procedure. They're not supposed to lay down in the bed or sit in the chair. So if we do one procedure at a time, it is very painless, and the patients are doing their normal work after the procedure.
No kidding.
Absolutely.
So they may have been experiencing all this pain and then able to get up and walk away from a procedure.
That's true. The symptoms, they go away right after the procedure.
No kidding, no kidding.
Yes.
Wow. And you said that if you have, some people come in with multiple veins. And,
That's true.
And it's important that you treat one at a time. Unless some of them are smaller, then you could perhaps do them all.
We do combine some of the veins. If they are very short veins, then we do combine 2 or 3 veins at one time.
Yeah. So what I'm hearing is don't wait too long.
That's absolutely true.
I mean, a quicker recovery time as well.
Yeah, because the patients, they feel that why did I wait so many years and have all the symptoms, and now I'm symptom free.
Exactly.
And it didn't take much time, didn't have to go to the hospital. I'm doing my regular work every day after the procedures. So
after an office visit, pain-free.
Right.
All right, Dr. Sharma, thank you. Always good information. The Arizona Vein and Laser Institute, they have a special offer for the first 20 callers. You will get a free vein screening with the doctor. Dr. Sharma will talk to you about your symptoms and will make further recommendations for you at that time. They are located at 5620 West Thunderbird Road, Suite D2 in Glendale. To book your appointment, call 602-298-8346. And they've opened up a second location in Avondale, that's closer for you, 13065 West McDowell Road, that's Suite A103. For that office number, 623-249-2710. Or you can visit them online at ArizonaVeinandLaser.com.